Imagine you just got a letter in the mail saying, you won $1 million, but you have to pay $50 first to claim it. Yeah, that's basically what a fake immigration website is doing to you, except the stakes are your entire future. Scammers have figured out that people chasing the American dream are sometimes so desperate and hopeful that they'll click on anything that looks even a little bit official. Here's the thing about immigration law. It is genuinely complicated, like reading the terms and conditions of a software update. Complicated, which means most people don't even know what a real process looks like. That confusion is the scammers' favorite playground, and they set up shop there like it's a theme park. Some of these fake websites look so real they have stock photos of smiling lawyers, fake client reviews, and official-sounding names like USVisaHelpCenter.com or something equally convincing. If a website ends in .gov, it's government. If it ends in anything else, and it's claiming to file your immigration forms, slow down and take a breath. One of the most important things you can do is check whether someone is actually a licensed attorney before you hand them a single dollar. The state bar website in your state lets you look up any lawyer's license for free, so there is truly no excuse to skip that step. A huge red flag is when someone calls themselves an immigration consultant or a notario and promises they can do everything a lawyer does for half the price. In most states, only a licensed attorney can give you legal immigration advice, so if someone without a law license is drafting your application, you might as well have your neighbor's cat fill it out. Phishing scams also show up in your email inbox dressed up like official government agencies, complete with logos that look so close to real ones you'd have to squint. The government will almost never email you out of nowhere asking you to click a link and submit your personal information. If something feels off, go directly to uss.gov by typing it yourself. We tend to underestimate how much personal information we're handing over when we fill out one of these fake forms. Your name, your address, your date of birth, your country of origin. That data gets sold, used for identity theft, or held hostage, and suddenly your immigration problem has a brand new identity theft problem sitting right on top of it. Legitimate immigration attorneys do not slide into your DMs, they don't run pop-up ads promising guaranteed green cards, and they definitely don't ask you to pay in gift cards. If someone is asking you to pay in gift cards for legal services, that is not an attorney. That is a villain in a poorly written crime drama. Another sneaky tactic is fake urgency. Scammers love telling you that your application deadline is in 48 hours and you need to act now or lose everything. Real immigration deadlines exist, yes, but a legitimate lawyer will always give you time to verify their credentials and think clearly before you pay anything. Word of mouth from your own community is genuinely one of the most powerful tools you have, because your neighbor who went through the same visa process 2 years ago probably knows who helped them and who tried to rip them off. Local nonprofit legal aid organizations are also incredible resources. Many of them offer free or low-cost consultations with actual licensed attorneys. One underrated tip is to Google the name of any immigration firm, plus the word scam or complaint, and just see what comes up. You'd be amazed how fast the internet will tell you everything you need to know. The Better Business Bureau and AVVO are also good places to check reviews and professional standing before you commit to working with anyone. It's also worth knowing that if you've already been scammed, you are not alone and you are not out of options. You can report immigration fraud to the Federal Trade Commission, your state attorney general, and even the American Immigration Lawyers Association, all of which take this stuff seriously. The crazy irony here is that legitimate immigration lawyers are actually worth every penny, because making even one small mistake on a form can delay your case by months or even years. Paying a little more for someone real up front is always cheaper than paying to fix a disaster someone fake left behind. So the big takeaway is this: slow down, verify everything, trust your gut when something feels sketchy, and remember that the real path to protecting your future starts with protecting your information today. And hey, if you want to learn more about how our company can connect you with trusted resources and guide you through the process, check out our links in the description.